Hello friends, today we are going to draw a helicopter here. So let's begin from the propeller. On top of it, we put a draw like this. Then this is the blade of the helicopter. So on top part, you can see the body like this. This is the glass for the front. And you can see few windows here. There's a detail work on top, and the front part, as you see, this is like a oval shape. Also another glass here. We can do few details. Front, also another blade here. As you can see, this is another nice detail. In the back, we can draw a straight line like this, and two extended part in the back of the tail. There's a wheel for rotation, and also another blade you can see, which can move. Smaller part is extended here, and this thing is used for landing. This is the landing stand. So this is the really easy and simple drawing for the helicopter. Now I can do that. I can make some details and like a nice presentation doing the shades and colors. So let's make the blades on top of the helicopter little thicker. All right, and the blade, this is also thicker, so the black part is on top is thicker. This blade is also used in front. All right, the body of the helicopter, let's make it a purple one. The purple color. As you see, it's kind of oval shape or elliptical shape. So let's put only the single colors. The body part is done. Now let's put pink for the blade in the rear part here, and the glasses, those are going to be blue color. Blue color. Also we can make the landing part. This is lightweight, and make these sticks little thicker. So this is the nice drawing of a helicopter. We can do some shading if you like, but usually this looks good. All right, so this is the drawing. Please follow all the steps and the instructions, and the drawing is going to be good. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching again, and have a good day.